Hi friend, this is Amit. As you all have got the Manipal BTech rank, so based on that, you need to do the counseling. That is going to start from 7th of June up to 11th of June. You need to register for first round. If you miss, you can register directly for second round as well. So what are the term and condition, process, all the refund rule, fee payment, seat matrix, everything I am going to discuss in this same video. So please try to watch the video up to the last, where you will get the complete term and condition, rule, regulation, that is each technical point related to counseling, so that you will not face any problem in the counseling process. Otherwise, once you do mistake, you may find very difficult to get the seat, or you may not get best out of your rank. So please try to watch the video up to the last, and here I would like to provide you complete information. So first of all, let me inform you what are the options you have. There is 4 campus: Manipal main campus, second campus is Bangalore campus, third is Jaipur campus, and fourth is Sikkim campus. There is 4 campus available to get, that is you can select 4 campus in the choice filling, and different type of branches are there. So here is the branch list. Here you can check multiple branches are there. So in main campus, VLSI design option is added, and in Bangalore also, and most of the branches are same. So here is the complete information regarding the branches, and here is two option, that is mechatronics and mechanical. In that you can do the dual degree program with Deccan University, that is 2 year in Manipal campus and 2 year in Deccan University, and you have to pay the fee separately for 2 years in Manipal fee and 2 years for that university separately. So here you can check that they have provided in the stick marks. And eligibility criteria: all students who have MET rank, they are eligible and have passed physics, math and English as compulsory subject, and 50% in physics, math, and any one of the optional subject like chemistry or computer science. If you are having 50%, you are eligible for the counseling process. The optional subject must belong to chemical, civil, computer, electrical and mechanical domains. That is, from these domains your optional subject should be. Most of you are having computer, I think, as a optional subject in class 12. Now if you talk about counseling rounds, so last year they did 3 rounds. In previous year they used to do 6 rounds. So this year also they may provide any additional round. Here you can check if any additional round they will conduct later. So 1 to 3 online round, that is original round, and round 4 is intra-institute round, that will be taken, that is after the admission. And thereafter counseling portal, here is the counseling website is there, and all the choice filling will be done through counseling portal only. Fee payment counseling portal only. Successful confirmation of course fee will be provided through counseling portal itself. It is provisional admission letter you will get PAL through official counseling website itself, and opting out and withdrawal from counseling process will be done through portal itself. There is only one solution, that is counseling portal to every type of activities. Now if we talk about the events, I already provided you in the previous video, that is registration will start from 7th to 11th, that is 7 to 11th you can do the registration. They may extend one day as well. Processing of seat allotment, on that day you will not able to find your choice filling, neither you will able to change the choice filling from 12 to 13, and on 13 itself you will get the allotment after 8 p.m. So once the allotment will be done, obviously I will provide you the information, and from 13 to 18 you need to provide the payment, that is first installment. This year they have increased it from 165,000 to 240,000, that is 2,40,000 this year. So price has been increased, and many of you were asking, will they increase the price this year? So yes, they have increased the price, and many students are saying that processing of seat allotment will be done. In that I need to participate. No, that is computer thing. Algorithm will do their work, and officials will do their work, and based on the rank they will process, and after 8 p.m. they will allot you. So it is not like interview thing. They will not contact you. You will be doing everything from your computer itself, and I will be guiding you for all the process. Once you register with my guidance, sidewise you can check the detail. It is very important to do each and everything correctly. Once you register, you will be connected to me one to one. It is not like all the students will be connected in the same Zoom meeting and you will not able to ask the question. It is not like concept that every student will get the same concept. It is career counseling. Your question is different from others, your career is different from others, your rank is different, your goal is different, so it needs a detailed discussion personally. That is possible once you register with my guidance. That is one time guidance program, up to admission guidance program for all counseling whatever you are doing this year, BITSAT, Manipal, VIT, COMEDK, AEEE, as well as JOSA counseling, CSAB counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling process as well. Whenever you want, you can contact me regarding that. All the information are available in the description box and the screen on and on the screen also you can check it. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything. That is JOSA, CSAB, Jagdali, Jag Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, Comet K, EEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background, so there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending a bill. Now if you talk about the fresh registration and choice filling from 21st to 22nd of June, suppose in first round if you will not pay the fee, then you can again pay 10,000 and join the registration, and you need to do the choice filling. If you have filled the choice earlier, then also you can change the choice, that I will discuss later in this video. Second allotment will be done on 24th of June, third allotment will be done on 7th of July. So this is the schedule as of now. They will provide additional round, if any, that will be announced later, and intra-institute round will be announced later once you join the college. Intra-institute means you will be upgraded into the same campus with better branch. Suppose you join EC in Bangalore, you can get CSC in Bangalore. In institute round you can't get main campus. So hope you get my point. Counseling procedure in simple: registration, choice filling, seat allotment, course fee payment, first and second, provisional admission letter, waitlisting, hostel booking. That's it. And here is step by step everything they have provided. Registration means pay 10,000 and thereafter do the choice filling. That's it. Nothing to do more. Choice filling is permitted in every round for registered candidate only. If you are registered, then only you can do the choice filling. And first time choice filling, after making 10,000 you will be eligible for choice filling, and save the choices once you fill the choice. Once you register with my guidance, I will provide you the choice filling, how you need to fill on live session, Google Meet. There is the app also through which I can contact you, and accordingly we will be doing the choice filling on a live session. And according to your interest, you need to fill the choice. Here you can check, they have mentioned. And choice filling in subsequent round also you can do again choice filling. If you want to change the choices, you can change the choices. If you are out of the counseling process, pay 10,000 again and get the registration done and do the choice filling. If you will not change the choice filling after first round, after payment, your previous choice filling they will consider. That is, whatever option you have got in first round, above that option they will check in second round. That they have written here. As I am having the experience of last 6 years, I know each and everything whatever they have provided in this PDF, because I am guiding from last 6 years. You can check previous year video as well. So that's why I am expert in this field. If you want the expert guidance, you can contact me whenever you want, and it is better to contact as early as possible so that you can avoid the mistakes. So as I told you, after seat allotment you need to pay first installment 2,40,000. last year it was 1,65,000. mark my word, last year you can check the data, 1,65,000 last year. And if you will not pay that fee in the specified time, that is up to 18, your 10,000 will be forfeited, and you can participate in second round from 21st to 22nd of June by paying 10,000 again. And balance fee you need to pay according to the fee structure, that also I will show you soon. First installment 2,40,000, second installment, that is remaining fee of the total fee of first year. So here you can check the fee. Biotechnology 3,35,000 for all 4 years, and total you can say you can check here, total fee 13,10,000. Here you can check for Manipal main campus, complete fee structure they have provided. That is for the Daiken University exchange program, for 2 years you have to pay into the Daiken University college itself according to their fee structure. AUD for 40,800. And now if you talk about Bangalore campus and main campus fee are same. Here you can check the fee, 19,58,000 for all the tech related branches. That is too much, but they will provide you the outcome regarding that also. That's why I advise Bangalore campus is also one of the best college across India as of now, because it is controlled by main campus itself. Now if you talk about MUJ Jaipur, here you can check for Sikkim also they have provided complete information they have provided. So first installment is 240, and suppose in case of, let me give you example, first installment is 240,000 BTech Computer Science in Bangalore. So remaining amount, that is 2,57,000, again you have to pay in the remaining time. that they have provided in schedule balance fee. So fee payment can be done online and NEFT or RTGS you can do through bank as well. Your bank, here is the bank detail available. No cash payment is available. Now if you talk about waitlisted student, the following candidate are eligible for waitlisted registered candidate who have taken a seat in any round and wish to participate in subsequent round. Those are called waitlist student. Registered candidate who do not have been allotted any seat. And here is waitlisted procedure. Means once you register and do the choice filling, if you will not get the seat, you will be into the waitlist candidate. If the provisionally admitted candidate gets upgraded to a new branch in subsequent round, the previous allotted branch will be cancelled. Your new branch will be with you. You can't get back your previous branch. That's what they are saying here. And once you are not paying the fee, that is after getting the seat, your 10,000 will be forfeited. If you want to register again, there is the option, but you have to pay 10,000 again. But if you will pay the fee and go for next round, you don't need to pay 10,000 again, and that 10,000 will be adjusted with your academic fee. So if you take admission, your 10,000 will be it will not be wasted, and it will be adjusted with your academic fee. If you will not pay the fee, 10,000 is wasted. So intra-institute round, I have provided you the information. No possibility of moving across campus. As I told you earlier, you can't move from Bangalore campus to Jaipur campus, or Jaipur to Bangalore, or Bangalore to main campus like this. In same campus, you can get better branch. Whatever vacant seat will be there, they will upgrade to that option, because there is no management quota in Manipal. That's why they are providing this option. In VIT, they will not provide. They will sell the seat through management quota. Opt out of the counseling process is also available for all type of student, provisionally admitted or unallotted a student. Also you can opt out of the counseling process if you don't want to proceed further. Here same they have provided how you can opt out. All the option will be available in your login page itself. Withdrawal before the commencement of must be made through candidate portal itself. The date of submission of request will be considered the date of withdrawal. Refund will be processed as per UGC refund policy, refer 9 section 9. They have provided all the information. After class commencement, all withdrawal after the class commencement must be made through the withdrawal form available at the academic section and of the academic section of the admitted institute. Once you join the college, in the admitted institute, you can go to academic section. They will provide you the form, and refund will be processed as per UGC guideline. And no due form also you need to provide, that is there is no extra due available. And the date of receipt of request will be considered as date of withdrawal. Date is important because UGC provide a particular date up to which if you will ask for refund, they will provide you complete, otherwise they will deduct something, or if you go beyond that is too much beyond the date, they may not provide you any refund. That's what they have provided in the important note. You can read here. And for feature of waitlisted deposit, if you will not pay the seat acceptance fee, they will not refund your 10,000. Once you are out of the counseling process, again you can go into the counseling by paying 10,000 again. Here you can check fee refund rule is there. As per common BTech common counseling is a centralized admission process for admission to BTech program offered by all 4 campus. I will provide you refund rule information in a separate video, a scholarship information as well in a separate video. Here is a document required at the time of admission: 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, transfer, school leaving certificate, date of birth certificate. If your 10th mark sheet don't have the date of birth, then you need to provide another date of birth certificate, otherwise 10th mark sheet will work as a date of birth certificate. PAN card of the parents, 2 passport size photograph, copy of overseas citizen of India if you are from OCI or POI country. So these are the document required. So query resolution will be provided through this mail, btechcounseling@manipal.edu. So this was the complete information regarding all information I have provided you. Here you can check the fee refund rule as well. So 100% 15 day or more before the formally notified last date of admission. Last date of admission suppose is 15th of August. Then if you go up to 30th of July or 31st of July, then you will get 100% refund. If you go less than 15 days, that is in between 30th July up before 15th of August, I am taking as a last date of admission 15th of August. That is not the final thing. They will inform you about that soon, because there is more round of counseling also expected. So I am just taking example. So if you go after 30th July and before 15th of August, 90% they will provide you. Or if you go 15 day or less after formally, that is after 15th August but before 30th of August, they will provide you 80% refund. After 30 days or less but more than 15 days, that is after 30th of August, but before 15th of September if you ask, then 50%. If you go after 15th of September, 0%. And the date I have considered as the last date of admission is 15th of August. That is not final. I am just taking it for explaining you in detail, for example. So hope you get my point clearly. I've explained you each and everything regarding the counseling process. Hope you find this information very useful for you. So please try to subscribe the channel and try to contact me for complete counseling process, because it is your personal thing. You have to do it one to one by asking for a complete guidance to a mentor who have expertise in this field. So I am having the expertise in this field, and as I am doing it from last 6 years. So if you are looking for the good branch in Manipal campus at your rank, you can contact me through Instagram, WhatsApp number, and through my website, as well as app link is available in the description box. So thanks again for watching this video. Please try to subscribe the channel. Thanks.